Have you lost something?
Put that back.
Why is the fridge so empty?
Now look, Yobbo, I cannot pay rent for this house and feed your ass at the same time. The fridge is empty because some grown-ass man does nothing but sit around all day, watching TV and eating food he doesn't pay for.
Belle, you exaggerate. I don't sit around and watch TV all day. I exercise. I work out. Yeah? And for that, I need a lot of food. A lot of it.
You're not going to find anything in there. You put that back. Put that back.
Okay. Did you hide the food? Why are you doing this, Belle? Why do you treat me so unfair?
Now, I did not hide any food. You ate everything we had in this house, Yobbo. Everything!
Unbelievable.
So I'm going in there to get myself ready for work. By the time I come back, I better find you've got yourself a job, or else I'll put your ass out on the streets.
Okay.
Shh! Look around yourself. Look around. Look at all this.
It's just small things, Belle. Why are you being dramatic?
Dramatic! I'm your best friend. I'm not your mother.
Did you really say that?
Oh, yes, I really said that. And by the way, I'll be having lunch with my colleagues at the salon. You keep around checking the drawers and watching TV and doing anything that you want. You never know, maybe you can find yourself something to eat. Being dramatic.
That was not necessary, Belle.
Cry, cry, cry if you want.
That really hurt.
Yobbo, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
What can I do for you?
I came to apologize, sir. I'm so sorry for what happened. And I hope you can take me back.
Can we talk later? I have another meeting. But, please wait here. I'll be back.
I'll wait, sir.
You man, what are you doing here?
Things haven't been the best since I was fired, so I came to apologize to Chief and see if he can take me back.
You're kidding. You?
Do I look to you like I'm kidding? I'm very serious. What?
It's called being careful before anything weird goes through your mind, because I know the type of person you are.
Why are you acting so weird?
Well, I always think it's not a good idea for you to come back.
Why is that?
Come and see for yourself. Do you still want to come back? Anyway, it was nice seeing you around.
Yobbo, I'm all yours. What's wrong? Yobbo, Yobbo. Where's my bag? Where's my bag?
Hey, how was your day? Okay. I'm very sorry. I shouldn't have left you here starving. Don't you want to know what's inside? Come on, Yobbo, please. I have something really important to tell you. Come on.
Well, I have something important to tell to you.
Okay, tell me, I'm ready.
No. Ladies first. Go ahead.
Come on. I got you chicken. So I spoke to Chief about your situation. He has forgiven you and decided to give you a second chance. Can you imagine?